In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for your PC. So first you're going to want to go to the Minecraft website, click on the Buy Now button, and then click on the Minecraft version you're going to want to buy. And then select the device you're buying it for. And then once you selected your device and selected which edition you want to purchase, click on Checkout. And then it brings you to this window to download the launcher for Windows 10 and 11. So go ahead, click that and download the launcher. And then open the launcher. And then agree to the terms and services, and then go ahead and click install. And then it'll start installing on your computer. And then once it's installed, go ahead and click let's go, and it will update the Minecraft files on your PC. And then once it's updated, you go ahead and click sign in with Microsoft, and you'll sign in on your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have one. And then click on the Minecraft edition you want to play. Go ahead and click play and then set up your username, and then you'll be logged into Minecraft. So that's how you download Minecraft for PC.